I'm officially out of my storage unit. Hallelujah! Today on Montana Dana, I go full on Martha Stewart and make my own sun tea. I had color coded my clothes when I put them in storage, and I found the orange box today. I get in 1,987 steps. Come with me, I have 12 hours to clean everything out of my storage unit. Subscribe and turn on the bell, give this video a thumbs up, and check back for Monday through Friday videos. Good morning, my beautiful and lovely friends. I have a gigantic moving day ahead of me. I have to get everything out of storage today. Just sipping coffee. I'm procrastinating, but I'm gonna get up and get ready for the day. And I've been super dehydrated, so I'm going to make some sun tea so that I drink more fluids. Making some sun tea today. I'm just gonna let that sit. It'll just convince me. I was at Beans and Brews the other day and I bought a couple of their hibiscus teas. It was kind of a treat yourself moment. Hopefully Sunny St. George can make us some delicious iced tea. Okay, update. I brought everything in from my rig yesterday. I guess I showed you that. But I have to get the rest of my stuff out of storage today and I am dreading it, but just finished up a couple edits. I'm gonna drink some hibiscus tea. I actually am making a new pot. We're doing sun tea all summer this summer. Just gonna let it sit out for 3 to 6 hours and just steep, and it's so delicious. I added in some raw honey while it was still warm, and it's delightful. This will save me about $3 a day on kombucha, so Gonna go sit out in the sun for a little bit, hang out with BPC, and then I'll get to work. We gotta go to the storage unit and get everything out. Ooh, it's already looking pretty decent. It's only been out for like 45 minutes. Yum, yum, yum. It's Sunday today, so took a little break from editing and moving. All right, it's storage wars time. Going to go to my storage unit and get literally everything out of it. Just gonna keep it in my trailer and in the Suburban until I get everything else organized, but have to get it out today in order to not get charged for another month. So I'm on a mission. Tiana, what's going on? I found all my Nike Pros in storage and going with a orange creamsicle look today. They don't quite fit like they used to. More hibiscus iced tea. It's the only way I'm gonna stay hydrated this summer. It's so delicious. Go get yourself some. I think it's the Art of Tea. No, I'll put the brand up on the screen because I can't remember what it is right now, but it's so good. I just found one online. It is a strawberry flavor, there's a watermelon flavor, and then there's like a apple something or other. So I am set for the summer. Or I don't know, what would we call this look? Traffic cone chic? Pumpkin spice latte? Donald Trump couture? What should we call this look? Construction worker casual? I don't know. What are we calling this look? It's all orange. I'm to the berries. I put blackberries and blueberries in my water. Delightful. So what I'm gonna do for videos is I'm gonna show you just daily what I'm working on, and then I'll do like a final apartment reveal at the end. Still want to get my goals in every day. I'll definitely get my steps in. I'm not going to be working out though, because lifting boxes is my workout. So I'm going to just take a break from the other goals for the next 5 days till I get my apartment set, and then we'll be back at it. Capiche? I am only one human. I can only do so much in my day. Wowza. Yeah, that's all going in my trailer in my Suburban right now. Just gotta get her done. Of course. Trip number 1. We had a spill. Oh, the box of random. Of course, the box of randomness would fall off the cart. Of course. All right. Do I really need to keep all of my thoughts and opinions from 8 years ago? I don't know. Lights that probably no longer work. A purse that's falling apart that has keys that I don't know what they unlock. Ooh, cash money. That's why I kept that. Oh my. Oh no, the poor pumpkin. Not the pumpkin. There. He has a brother in storage. I broke him yesterday. I'll show you in a second. I guess basic pumpkin spice bitch is not showing up this October. This is fun. We're having fun. Of course, the most breakable thing that can shred people's tires fell out. Should we leave a lucky penny for someone? I think we should. Okay. All right. Oh, super glue. We need that. Dr. Wayne Dyer. He's a badass. Oh, Oh, Cards Against Humanity. I don't know where the cards are. Glad I kept that. This stuff is just also unnecessary, but there's no like garbage right here. So I even have to take all my garbage in my rig and throw it away. So if you want to see what's in my storage unit, I'm going to go through everything over the next couple days. Today's just a get everything out, and I won't be doing any organizing. It's just, I'm just a workhorse today. So let's do this. See? I try so hard to be a pumpkin spice bitch. I'm wearing full orange today and I can't even pumpkin spice correctly. What the hell? I mean, I could technically still use it. Just put this in the front. It's pretty cute. It's fine. Oh! Holy moly. You guys want a great workout? Put all your stuff in storage for 3 years and then unload it in one day. There you go. For 3 easy payments of $29.99, you're welcome for that advice. I am motivated though, because I know my kitchen stuff is over here somewhere. Oh, it's baby Dana. Ooh, my foam rollers. I'm gonna start stretching every night. Yay. Oh, this is like Christmas. This is actually highly fun. Ooh, my shower curtain. It's so cute. I'm excited. I forgot about these rugs. I bought these like right before I moved. Cute. Ooh, Wheel of Fortune and Yahtzee. Don't remember owning those. Who wants to come over and play Scrabble? For some reason, I have 2 of those. Okay, random. Okay, I have all of my medals, trophies, yearbooks, photos. I don't need this. I'll take a picture and just throw this off a bridge. This is a standing closet, and yes, I will be using it. Every square inch. Thank you so much for asking. We had a hanger box avalanche yesterday. That was super fun. It was not on the 7-day forecast, but you know, shit just happens sometimes. And yes, I will be using every last one of these hangers. Every single one. Some people have a husband and children. I have lots of clothes. What you spent on diapers, I spent on Gymshark and outerwear. It's not something I'm proud of. I'm just stating facts. Here is another freestanding coat rack. This was in my rig a while back. Lots of clothes hanging options. Very exciting day. Ooh. Kitchen stuff. The holy grail. We found it, kids. Oh my gosh. I found all the kitchen stuff. That's what I'm most excited for. I cannot wait to set up my kitchen. Ooh, my brother's roller skates. Those are fun. Okay, I'm gonna take this load out. This is actually going a little faster than I expected. This is all yarn. This is my yarn section. Just call me Joanna Dana Fabrics. I could have my own yarn store. And there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. I think we're gonna be okay. I mean, it's gonna be a lot of work, but I thought this was gonna take like 5 hours. I think I can get it in like 2, maybe 3. So get a move on it. I feel like I just did a workout. I have like the final bit of boxes. Look at that corner. It is cleaning up nice. Then I have my yarn factory and then just like miscellaneous. I didn't know this was a beauty pageant. I have for my Influencer the Musical a bunch of, there's like the beauty queens. It's miscellaneous, misogyny, which was my brother's idea actually. And then misunderstood. So he'll be like, and now announcing Miss Underwood. And she's like, no, it's misunderstood. And then he cuts her off. He's like, Miss Underwood, how are you? Get it? She's always misunderstood. Anywho. Jokes. Hashtag jokes. I'm just trying to keep myself entertained. Okay. I will see you when this corner is cleared out. Okay, bye. The corner is not cleaned out. I thought that was going to be easier. Okay, fine. I'll just do this myself. Workout check, am I right? Here's my little tiny home on wheels at the moment. Packed about as full as it will go. I probably have like 5 loads left here. And then it is pizza and Game of Thrones. That is the only thing keeping me going right now. And pineapple lychee iced tea. That is also something to look forward to. Woo! We're getting so close. Oh my gosh. I just started in that corner and was shoving whatever I can find into these bags. And then just this little trip, that little trip, and we're almost there. Pizza, 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 pizza. Just gonna get everything out at least and close it up. I feel like it looks dirtier than it actually is because there's just random things like a Descend on Bend mug. Dinosaur pepper shaker. Sure glad I didn't forget this little guy. Fringe from a jacket that melted in storage. Gonna need that. Frying pan to bash an intruder. Got that handled. Got it covered. How many Chip and Joanna clocks do I have, you ask? Just one, but it's gigantic. So it counts as 2. Come on, you little love. Puppy. Get every little last piece of trash. Put it in there. Little basket. Random. Oh my gosh. I have 2 little salt lamps. I forgot about those little guys. Cute. This is such a cute lamp. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to fix it. It was in my Sprinter van and it got all jingled and jangled on the road. This is my very first guitar. It is so warped. The action is so high that it doesn't play anymore, but it's a pretty wall piece. Oh my gosh, I got everything out. Hallelujah. Almost there. Like, what, 3 or 4 loads? Let's do this. And then we just pull this and close our eyes because stuff's just gonna fall off. It's just going to happen. Especially there's a bump when you go outside the door. So stuff falls out no matter how tightly I pack it in. Ooh, that was a bad one. Seriously? Of course it's the pillow box causing issues. Son of a beach. Right. Well, what I was trying to say before my baseball bat so rudely interrupted me was things usually fall out on the way out the door because there's a big bump that this hits every time. Oh, we lost the other pumpkin for good. Bye-bye, pumpkin. Oh, no. Can we not? I would just love it if we could just not. Thanks. Okay. This is fun. You guys should try vlogging and doing anything at the same time. It's such a pain in the ass. We'll try this one more time. This is just good motivation for me to get rid of stuff. Hold on, kids. We're going around a corner. Loud like nights and skyline way. There's the same like 8 90s songs on repeat. We've got Alanis Morissette, Matchbox 20. It is very hot. My hair extensions are sticking to my shoulders. It's quite uncomfortable. This guy, I hit it every time something goes flying. Oh, made me a damn liar. They fall when I don't want them to fall, and then they don't fall on cue. We'll get there, right? Someday we'll just have some peace and quiet in our lives. That's gonna happen, right? Last load, let's get it. I didn't bring water and I'm so thirsty. This is the last of it. Oh. Oh my gosh. I'm officially out of my storage unit. Hallelujah! I can't believe I no longer have a storage unit. I am officially out of my storage unit. It's been 3 years and it feels so good. I'm gonna be getting settled, go through every item I own and just getting rid of a lot of stuff, selling it, taking it to Goodwill. I'm gonna stop at Maverick and get an ice water, and I'm just gonna go home and take an Epsom salt bath. So gonna get some ice water, rehydrate, do a little R&R, eat some good food, and relax with a cute boy and watch a good show. I mean, life is pretty dang good. I think we're gonna do red light therapy too. So I'm missing a couple goals today. I don't really care about hitting goals every single day, but I'm doing a 30-day challenge and I committed to it. So when I don't get my goals in, I'm like, oh dang it, I didn't do my goals. But the point of the 30-day challenge is to do a glow up and to drastically improve your life in a very short amount of time. And it's already happening. There's so many great things happening. I've been doing like manifestation meditations and stuff and working out, getting fit, fitting into my cute clothes, moving into a new apartment, and taking care of myself. I'm just feeling really, really, really fantastic. So still doing the 30-day challenge, just sometimes stuff comes up, and the best way to care for yourself and for your body is to take an Epsom soak and chill. I've got my mother of dragons braid. I am so happy to just be able to get ready in a bathroom. I am a comfortable temperature. I can just swipe through my clothes. I don't have to pull out 18 boxes to find the outfit. It's quite nice. I'm trying to be somewhat healthy, so instead of eating pizza, I'm having leftover Chipotle and leftover meat from Bro Nachos the other night. Just wandering. I think I'm gonna go sit by the pool. It's really pretty over there. Just gonna chill, eat some food outside. Look how pretty it is out here. I love it. I'm just gonna sit and chill, enjoy my food. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. So cute. I cannot believe this is home for the next 6 months at least. Wild and crazy. Walking to get a booch. I have 22,000 steps and I didn't even have my phone on me for a lot of packing today. Oh man, I'm delirious. The fun part starts tomorrow. It's gonna be like an early Christmas going through all my boxes. Very excited for my kitchen stuff. I have a lot of like really pretty cookware because I used to do videos of food and fitness and kitchen-y things. So it'll be pretty fun. It's crazy how our brains get rewired. Like I've had a bathroom and I'm still in like the mode where I'm like, where am I gonna shower today? I was curling my hair and I kept like looking over to see if my battery bank had enough power. I don't have a battery bank. I just plug it into the outlet. Like I've been doing van life so long that it has destroyed my brains. I think it's what I'm trying to say. Yes. It's gonna be so wonderful getting things all set up. But anyway, I'm about to go meet BPC for a little Game of Thrones. BPC for GOT. Oh my gosh. That's pretty funny actually. Anyway, if you made it to the end of the video, I don't know if I had any goofy like bits today. Let's do something really random. Do like a fruit emoji. If you were a fruit, what type of fruit would you be? I'd probably be a watermelon. Juicy and sweet on the inside, but hard and bitter on the outside. You know? That sounds right, yeah. Good night, my lovely friends. I think this is the last night I'm sleeping on the floor. It doesn't smell like carpet anymore as bad, so. Some of you suggested getting, what's it called? Baking soda, putting it in each room, so I'm gonna do that tomorrow. But anyway, closing out the video. We're just camping amongst all of our storage stuff, and I'm so happy. I can't believe I made it out of. I can't believe I'm out of storage and on to bigger and better things. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me and my channel. It's been a crazy couple days. Like I don't even know. I'm in another world right now, but it's all gonna be worth it. So I'll give you guys the tour soon, but check in tomorrow. I'm just gonna be like tidying up and cleaning and organizing. So if you like those types of vlogs, come hang out. Okay, bye.